I'm Johnny, you're watching A View to a Grill, and today is the unboxing and assembly of the Weber Smokey Joe Premium Crimson Kettle. And if you want to see other great videos on the barbecue topic, all you have to do is subscribe. All right, let's get this thing open. The first thing you'll find is the Smokey Joe Premium Assembly Guide, and then you'll find the Smokey Joe Premium Owner's Guide. And then after that, you'll find this document over the Weber Grills app. In the box, you'll find the Weber handle assembly. Next, you'll find 2 lid dampers. You'll also find 3 kettle legs. And then you'll find the hardware, which consists of 4 screws, 5 washers, and 4 wing nuts. Now, the assembly instructions also call for locking washers, but there were no locking washers in my bag of hardware. But I had some in the garage, so we're fine. Next, you'll find the tuck and carry lid lock, and then 2 grill grates. The bottom grill grate for the charcoal, and the top grill grate for your food. We'll move on to the tuck and carry handle, and then we'll get the first look at our Crimson Kettle lid. Last but certainly not least, we'll move on to the Kettle Bowl. Now let's put this together. We'll start off with assembling the legs. That'll take 1 screw, 1 washer, and 1 wing nut. We'll get those screwed together, and at this point we're not going to tighten these very much because it makes the rest of the assembly a lot easier. We'll go ahead and attach the 3 legs to the bowl. I am not attaching the tuck and carry lid lock. I'm not sure if I want that on because it looks like it will snag on things. So for now, I'm just going to leave it off. We'll get our locking washers and the regular washers and 3 screws. We'll get one of those in each hole. And at this point, I also added a locking washer to the first set I screwed together. I'll just flip it over, add the flat washer and a wing nut to each assembly, and screw those together just hand tight. Next, we'll assemble the lid holder and the baffles. You'll just need both baffles and 2 flat washers. The washers go on first, and then the baffle. Now, being careful not to scratch the kettle, just spread these apart and put them in the 2 holes that Weber already has drilled for you. And that is it for the lid handle. The wing nuts will play double duty as the bottom grill grate holder. Now we'll get the bottom grill grate in and the top grill grate. Now it's time to assemble the handle. We'll get that put together with 1 screw, and then test our lid lock. Works perfectly. At this point, I decided, why not? Let's go ahead and install the tuck and carry lid lock. So I just loosened all the wing nuts, and the wing nut and screw where the lid lock goes, I took that off completely so that I can install the lid lock. The lid lock goes on the outside of the leg, not the inside. You'll just press in the lid holder and then pull out the tuck and carry lid lock. And there you go. It just uses a little bit of tension to keep it in place. I think I like the way that looks. The lid doesn't open to a full 90-degree angle, but there's plenty of room to do whatever you need to. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Take care, y'all.